Now today is National Bird Watching Day, where you're meant to go in your garden for an hour and look at the birds. But there's very little about. There's none. In fact, there's none about. So wait a minute, what's that up there? Oh no, I thought there was one up there. So to see any birds, we're going to have to go in the woods, see how many's going around there. I don't know why. I think it's cats. There's a lot of cats around here, so I think that's what puts them off. There's none at all going about, so we'll jump on my steed there and we'll have a shoot in the woods and have a look there. There's not a lot of birds to be seen here in the woods. I don't know, it's the time of year. A bad day for bird watching. There's no sign this is Pearson's Flash, and of course you get there's a lot of bird life in the water, you know, ducks and swans and geese and things. A few seagulls over there. We're now looking for the robins, blackbirds type of birds. I can't see a bird in the trees or the sky anywhere. And this is woodland. You'd expect to see plenty of bird life. So I'll go to a place where I'm pretty sure we'll see something. There's a robin tree, and the reason I knew we'd see something here is because Kev lives here, and he feeds them, so I was pretty sure we'd see something. Now as I'm walking past this section of the woods, I can hear tweeting. There's a couple of birds here somewhere. There they are. By the time I got my camera out, they're shooting about up there somewhere. Yeah, there's a couple of little spadgers flying about, but they're darting about so fast that I'm not been able to catch them, but that's two. I'm putting down as two sparrows. Not much to see here, although we can hear the sounds of ducks, geese over there. But birds in the sky and birds in the trees are hard to come by today. I don't think this is a good day to pick a national bird watching day. I wonder who picked it. And now I'm in Westwood Cemetery. I heard some tweeting and I've actually seen a bird flying through there, but I think it's a jackdaw or a magpie. There's a couple of sparrows having a bath, look there. So there are birds about. So now I'm on the path outside of Nicepack, on the top of the lane there where it meets the lane. There's quite a bit of activity here of birds, most I've seen today. Anyway, that's it from me today for bird watching, because I've done the usual trick. I take my gloves off and put them down and I ended up with one glove. Luckily I've got another spare one from last time I lost one glove, so enough to get home on, because my hands freeze quick in this weather. So that's the bird watching over for today. I'm going home and feeding myself now.